All features on the map are represented with three types of vector data: point, line, and area. Point, also known as node, has a single pair of coordinates. It represents physically smaller objects such as fire hydrants, tube walls, trees, etc. and represents point of interest like restaurants, ATM booths, hotels, shopping malls, and such. Lines, also polylines, are connected sequenced collection of points. They are usually open-ended, meaning their starting and ending point are usually different. They can represent roads, rail tracks, power lines, rivers, etc. Lines representing same features can connect with each other through one or more shared points and can create networks. Points in line features can represent related features, such as road junctions in road features. Area or polygons are also connected collection of points. However, they have the same starting and ending point, making them closed features. Areas usually represent features with defined closed boundaries, such as buildings, forests, lakes, etc.